Okay, everyone, this is we're going to take you from the do a factory reset on this device, and we're going to show you everything. Um, for some reason, I can't seem to update Chrome. I go through here, and I'm just trying to update Chrome, and it won't update. It just won't do it. So that's that. I'm giving up. Right? It says open in the Play Store, so I try to open in the Play Store, right? And then nothing here either. Okay, so we're just like, okay, something's wrong. Let's just factory reset it and start over. Okay, so I'm gonna go over here. By the way, I have to give a security deposit for the place I'm renting right now, and I haven't been able to do that because they're disabling my phone. You know, because they're doing these games, huh? Talk about trying to fuck with someone's livelihood. You know, we're supposed to be running my application and a background check right now. They can't do it if I haven't paid them. I can't pay them because of my phone. You know, so it's fucking. I'm gonna go to accounts. See if no accounts there. That's fine. So then we're gonna go ahead and then we're going to restart and reset. Here, let's go to Chrome and sign out. If that's gonna make any bit of difference. You know? Let's go here and sign out. Right here. Go here and then sign out, man. And signed out, then remove this account. Boom. Get rid of that shit. See if that's gonna help at all. Right? I honestly don't think it will. But you know, what do you know? What do you know? So we're gonna go here to settings, and we're just gonna get rid of chat altogether, and we'll go to privacy, and we'll try to clear data, right? Clear browsing data. Go all time, clear data. Browsing, all time, advanced. Get that shit. Advanced, then we'll clear data. Okay, now I'm telling you, I don't think it's gonna have any bearing. But we're gonna go here. No, not apps. I'm gonna just go to system, and then you guys are gonna see how hilarious this is. About all the craziness that goes on. I think I'm just gonna keep videoing, and then I'll just fast forward it. But I don't want you to think that I've, switched it at all. I don't want you guys to think that, that I'm pausing it and then. Yeah, turn it off. Okay. It's erasing, right? I think those marks, those lights there, that's from me squeezing it, to be honest, because I can't take it anymore, man. It's unbelievable, man. It just won't stop, dude. These guys just won't stop. So, by the way, I deleted everything off this phone, the one I'm recording, that had all that other garbage, the NFC attack and all that. Maybe I'm gonna go ahead and I'll shut this Chromebook off right now too. See if that makes any bit of difference. I'll take it offline, of course. Do that, take it offline, boom. And then I have one more device over here, but it's not even on. You can see, oh, it's got 100% power though. Let me take the battery out. Take the battery out of this phone. Okay. Battery's out of that phone. I have no other devices in here that are powered up. Chromebook, it's offline, but I'm going to shut it down anyway. And let's see what we come up here with. It'll still have Bluetooth activated and running, of course. I know. Chromebook. It's just all of a sudden just won't shut off now. It's pretty amazing. And I know if it's off, it doesn't necessarily mean it's off, but okay. And then you guys are going to see these apps and how bizarre it is. How they're not normal, and certain ones will have permissions, and then the main thing I want you guys to notice is at the very beginning. It's the EULA thing that I have to sign. It says this is required. You have to sign this, right? When people talk to me about Android and the safety, they say, no, no, no. At one point, you gave it permission to do so. Well, that would be the only place that I'd given it permission, right? But you're going to see here, it's also going to not give me an option to choose which apps are downloaded or not. Right here, I don't know what the new second screen is. I have no idea. We're going to use the mobile version. We're just going to use that instead of the Wi-Fi, because the Wi-Fi is corrupt here already. I know that. So look, check. It says taking too long. Look, checking for updates again. Here we go. You're going to see it's not going to give me any options with the Google Play. It's going to have a bunch of Google apps that are automatically going to be downloaded, and I can't uncheck them. So that in itself is something I need to talk to a lawyer about, right there. That's something I will be doing. I mean, first I gotta find a place to live, you know what I mean? Because they've been doing this to me for 6 years, guys. Just try to swallow that real quick. As far as how many times do you think I've erased a phone? This is my 53rd Android phone. 53. You know, that's new phones. So I've erased this one here probably about 8 times. So let's just say 8 per phone. Because it's usually more than that. Sometimes they last longer, sometimes they don't. But let's just say 4 on average. 4 times, that's 4, that's, 200. Gone through this, 74 Windows computers. 29 tablets, 23 Apple devices. Don't copy. Look at, use mobile network for the setup. Yeah, just continue. Whoa, but I thought we just did that. Didn't it just do that? I thought it just did that. No, I said don't copy. Just a sec. Oh, I might have hit the back button. Whatever. It's not a big deal. It's what's coming up is a big deal. As you can see right there, the NFC little icon is active. That little gray one up there. I'm trying to focus in. Oh, it's definitely not going to let me focus in and stuff like that. But okay, we will. Let's sign into my Google account because I want to make sure. I've done it. I've done it without. You want to do it without? Let's do it without, so they can't blame it on the Google account. Yeah, we're gonna skip it. So let's not say, well, it's your account that's what's the problem. So use location. Look at this last one. This install updates and apps. I have no choices here. There's no choices. There's no not the updates and apps. These all. So normally you just hit next, right? Okay, I accept it. Let me just be run-of-the-mill guy. Set up fingerprint, or set up pattern or password. Okay, let's set up. We'll do a pattern, right? So I don't want to do my fingerprint thing, so we'll just do a pattern. Okay, I'm doing my pattern once. Now I'm doing it twice, confirming it. Okay, I've got my pattern set. Now it's saying review additional apps right here. Look, I have no choice in the matter. Look at that. There's no choice. There's no X. I don't want it. Look at that. Why is that? What is this LG thing? I don't want it. There's no X. I can't X out of it. What is that? So we're just adding a few touches here. Just a couple more. And now before it lets me go further, I got to sign this EULA document that they say is right here. See, this is required. This is required by EULA. So who's EULA? Huh? Because then that means you're part of this. Because if it's required, government in users restricted, right? So it's okay. I agree. I guess but you're gonna make me do this because this is the only time I've agreed to anything right here. That right there. Okay? That's me giving them access, I guess, because that would have been it. right? So we're going to go here. First thing we're going to do is we're going to take off Wi-Fi calling. See if that helps at all. Did that. We'll take the data off. Okay, we're going to turn mobile data off. And then we're also going to take the near screen sharing, NFC. We'll take that off. We'll take sync off. Turn off sync. And what else? Maybe we should even put it in airplane mode. If you think that's going to help at all, then from downloading anything, nah, it won't. But here we're off. Okay, let's go to settings. Right, and let's go to apps. Let's go straight to it. And then you guys are going to see, just, this is 43. Usually it's 42 to be honest. But, then we're going to go show system. Look at it. See how glitchy it's all. Because it's, oh, that's resetting the apps. I should do that just to screw around, but no, we'll screw here. So these are the apps, right? Look at this. Easter egg. Android access, accessibility, suite. WebView app selector, right? Audio, auto dialer. 2 Bluetooth right there, by the way. It's a little interesting. But let's just go here and let's go with data usage. I bet you. We'll see how many are font servers. But no, it's Bluetooth from the very beginning. So here we'll go down and see data usage on how many of these. See how many of them are the font server. Here we go, calendar storage. We'll go data usage. Okay, look at that. Data restore calendar. What's that? That was odd. I don't remember that being there. It's okay. Come on. Look at all those. Look at that though. LG systems RCS provider, remote control service, entitlement, wallpaper, server network permissions. Like, come on, local transport. You know, carrier config, whatever. So, content service. That was one that we shouldn't be doing because we saw that in the last one. Then this LI informant, whatever. So, where did the LI informant? Where did he get his info? Download manager. What's that? Data usage. Boom. Media storage. Ta-da! Media storage comes from the downloader. So let's take away their unrestricted access. Right? It's media storage. So it's storing the media somewhere. We'll disable this downloader. We'll disable him. Say, no more permissions in the storage. Oh, can't do that. Okay. So now, they didn't like that. Engineer mode. Look, oh, there was the message. Remember, the data messaging service. So yeah, where did that come from? So we got to go down here, real quick to the. Oh, isn't that funny? 2 NFCs right here. 2 NFCs. Network. Okay, but we got to go here quick to this service menu. Setup view, that's another one, but it's the terms of use. There it is. That's the document that we signed. We can't undo it. And why would it be in? Why is that document an app? Why is it running right now as an app? What app is called terms for use? You know, that's not. That's if it's an app, then what the hell? It's not a document. I didn't sign. Did I sign an app? I must have signed an app, right? How did you sign an app? What was that? That was weird. Oh. This is a trick right here too, by the way. Oh gosh. Okay, this is what they're doing here. We're gonna get rid of this. No, I'm not gonna do your disclaimer. Don't want any of that. Look, it says this. These guys are just hilarious. We're gonna go here. We're gonna go back to. First, we're going to do this. Preparing search. This is so funny. Because it's still setting up and it needs that time. So we're going to go navigation because they're asking me, like, I don't know these gesture arrows. So we're just going to go buttons only. Okay. Just so we know we can go back and whatever. We can do that and shut them down, right? So nothing's changed as far as up here. No. Okay, now we're going to go back to the Fonts server app, and we're going to see that thing running everywhere. So, ooh, app selector. App selector. So, let's uninstall that because I don't want them selecting any of my apps, right? Because there's just a bunch of bloatware, right? So we're going to go down here, and Facebook, I didn't install that, so let's uninstall Facebook. I don't want Facebook on my phone. No. Okay, Android Auto, no, I don't want that going on here. So we're good. I don't have a car, so fuck it. Right, so then, what's this, LGE data usage under that? Oh, remember, they hid that's pretty quick. That's right. Oh, plus we got a show system. Excuse me, sorry about that. There we go. Now, what about content lock? Let's check this guy. Data usage, content lock. Oh, they're quick this time. Yeah, they are. I guess I was sort of bullshitting, but oh, they didn't want me to do that. So here, what's this content? Oh, there's a data restore. Ooh, wow, this phone's putting out some serious vibes now. So we're going to disable that. And we'll take the permissions of the calendar away. Can't do that though. Okay. And now, let's go with like a default permissions. What do you got here? Data usage. Wow, these guys are just, they're on the ball this time. They're like, gotta be faster than him, right? So, okay, how about dynamic systems update? What do we got here? Font server. There you have it. Okay, this is a good one too, because then we go emergency alerts, mobile hotspot, which we have 2 of, LG connectivity, touch enable customizer. Huh? What's that? Or LG switch. Huh? Network stack. Does this make sense, guys? Stack the network, 2 people. You know, provisions, file sharing, pin settings, photo updates, encryption, calligraphy, fuse location, LG bridge, service bridging the connections, operator hidden menu. Whoa. Or they're entitled. They're entitled to do this, right? They're entitled. Gaming, can't forget the gamers. There's another mobile hotspot, and then the MediaTek app monitor. Huh, interesting. What the hell that is? And then LG P2P player-to-player, probably service, NFC service, home selector, keychain, LG install service, quick memo, and how you doing. So when we go to quick memo, let's look at that one, because this is sort of like a bin file. We're going to go here, we're going to go data usage, font server. So basically what this is doing is it's writing a quick memo basically on how it's supposed to boot, is what I'm thinking. And then you have your 2 mobile hotspots, which is just bizarre as all hell. And all of this spyware, I broke into your device bullshit going on. It's exactly what each one of these things says to me. Okay, guys, I mean, that right there should be a good amount of information to see how they're getting it. And that was on airplane mode without any mobile usage, no data, no nothing. And it hasn't even completed the setup yet because they're still waiting on the Wi-Fi. Right? So anyway, guys,